Someone might say, what do you mean when you say we must stop fighting for something, for unnecessary things?
Yabona if ngizolwela mhlambe yabo isikhathini samanje. So nokubona intsha nje so intombazane seyilwela for umfana. Ukuthi nje akukho necessary. Akukho nje. Okay. But now I feel like now it is time for us to stand up. Sizilwele thina. Focus kuthina. Focus on our future, on our passions.
Welcome to another episode yeKota2 Media. I'm your host once again, Umduduzi wa Shabangu. Thank you for choosing this channel. Siphinde futhi sihlangane. Uyazi ke nawe mangabe sihlangane nje la kule channel. Into sosikhuluma ezipositive ezakhayo. Namanje ngizokhuluma futhi ngine team enginayo la sokhuluma khona nje anything ezokwakha uyothi iqeda ukuyibuka le channel or le show or le episode na kanjani yobusizakele. But before ngiyekude kakhulu ake ngiqale ngale ngibulise umzolisto.
Sanibona
ngisebeyamazi ke Zola Sineke.
Sanibona babukeli emakhaya igama uZola Sineke. Siyakujabulela futhi uphinde sibe nani futhi again. Thank you for your opportunity.
Yeah, thank you ukuthi be available. Sibe no Simphiwe Dlamini.
Sanibona babuke emakhaya nami ngijabula kuba nani namhlanje and I hope we have a good day together.
Yes, thank you ukuthi ube khona yazi kuyajabulisa. Father Mandla. Yeah bakwazi ngofather. Father Mandla by the way benazi.
Benazi.
Oh. Hayi ke.
Siyazi. Yes, sabonani futhi emakhaya ufather Mandla sesikhaleni niyazi.
All right, halalelo.
Halalelo, yo. So hey guys. Hey everyone. I hope you're good. I hope you stay tuned for the rest of the day, and hopefully we'll send a message valid yabo. Ezosiza nathi. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Halalelo Mahlangu.
Yes.
Isona ke siphi sibo?
Mahlangu.
Angifone so right.
Mahlangu.
Oh, okay. All right. At some point nami ngeke ngaba young. Ngeke ngathi kuba kule age leya encane ngiyakhumbula ngikuma 18, 19, 20 ngaba around 20s ngayongena kuma 30s. Bengike ngakhula nabantu abathi uma bebekhuluma abanye babo bebethi sidla ubusha bethu. Ngikhule mina negenge ebisho kanjalo. Ebethi thina nje sidla ubusha bethu asinasikhathi. Abanye bathi thina sathola umhlaba ungcolile unje. Futhi so share uvele unje. Zange ukuzolungisa nix. Njengamanje engibakhumbulayo because mangabe before ngizoshootha khona bengibakhumbula. Abanye abaningi babo abasekho emhlabeni. Ngempela babudla ubusha babo. So ngasho ngithi abasekho emhlabeni. Abanye bakhona but laba bakhona you will find ukuthi abantu bakhona manimpilo sekusele nje umphefumulo yabo emzimbeni ukuthi ngoba phela umzimba nomphefumulo kusahlangene. But mawuthambeka umuntu yabona ukuthi abanye abantu bafile nje beyihambela. The reason yalokho mhlambe I'm not saying all of them. Mhlambe abaningi babo yilaba bathi thina sizange ukuzolungisa lutho thina nje sizoziphilela impilo yethu sishiye kumoshekile masishiya kumoshekile. But ngiyazi nina nikhona nizongisiza la kule ndaba.
What I can say do unfortunately every generation there has that element ukuthi sinoku angithi manje there's still that energy ukuthi uyakhula usemncane you don't care about a lot of things. But when you grow older you see now ukuthi because of lo udlusha wami I've missed this and this and this and I've done this and this and this and this wrong. For an example, ngizofuna ubeka ama details anti ngisho umuntu acacele kahle ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani.
Yes.
For an example, guys at my age ababe of that mentality ukuthi sidla ubusha bethu bengafuni ukukhuza anything. Most of them bakhayele ini opportunity of going to school because most of them they dropped out of school because now young parties left, right and center. Mantombazana utshwala every, you see. And forgetting this isikhathi siyahamba. Isikhathi onaso asibuyi futhi again, unfortunately. You waste time today, tomorrow there's no tomorrow to replace the isikhathi namhlanje wasted. You waste 3 hours today, that 3 hours is gone in your life.
Nine up.
And any technicality ekhona, it's what I always say kumandla ukuthi yazi if singamanager isikhathi kuma ages wethu. I mean ngibhekise even ku youth ke right now because yibo abantu abasematheni right now. They are the people esifuna bathathe even our country forward, bathathe all the issues that we have forward. So if bangachecka isikhathi bayuse isikhathi sabo kahle because isikhathi esimoshakele asibuyele emuva. Bumnandi everything that is yonke into emnandi ekhiphana endleleni. Uma so right, so independent, so usebenzele get the right job with the right education. Ubumnandi apheli and buyafana. It's not that because bumnandi today lapha kune party lapha today awukho wena then you've missed out. No. Uma so right, isikhathi esi right for wena. You can even have a bigger party than that one. Uyigijimisa manje while ungakwazi ukuzimela.
Yeah, sure. Halalelo. Ngiyakubona futhi kusho something.
I mean, I do believe ukuthi like masidla ubusha bethu singadla ubusha bethu in a different ways, you know, because people be like modla ubusha benu or ubusha bethu, you only focusing on the bad things. Yes. And people by mess up lapho, you can eat ubusha bakho but not in a bad way. Because we're having two different things. And so I believe ukuthi I have to okay, so that I cannot regret at the end of the day. I was supposed to do right now. Maybe I'm interested in entertainment. I will need support from abazali bami, obviously. So I know ukuthi ngidlubusha bami. Ngiyenza izinto okuthi maybe mesingimdala I know. Now I have to focus on another things ukuthi zikwenye level yabo.
Okay.
And ukudla ubusha bakho doesn't mean ukuthi yabona ukudla ubusha bakho akumelanga ukuthi kukulimaze emphefumulweni, but you have to grow, you have to communicate, you have to, you know. So I feel like it is time for us to start fighting for ukudla ubusha bethu in a good way.
Yes.
In a positive way.
Yes. In a positive way. Since June month, I would say if we had to fight for being happy, since maybe organization whereby we'll be helping each another. Because I believe good each and every day there is a chance. Yeah. That's why we wake up. I have to do something better than yesterday. Yeah. We are being compared each and every day. There are parents who compare us with our siblings, with our neighbors. But right. Mara, I feel like you have to compare yourself with the past, what you've been doing, and who are you right now. Okay. Yeah, I'd say that for now.
All right. Yeah, ngikutholayo nje ukuthi budle ubusha bakho. There's nothing wrong. But budle in a positive way. Yeah. Ungazibulali. Yeah. Okay. Simphiwe.
Okay. Mina, in my point of view,
yes,
I believe ukuthi iyouth yanamhlanje ayidla ubusha babo ngendlela elungile. They believe ukuthi ukudla ubusha bami ukuthi ngihambe ngiyojiva like every weekend ngiphuza utshwala ngibe nabangana abaningi, only forgetting ukuthi umuntu uyakhula. Abazali bethu bayasola ukuthi mina ngikhulile ngoba umncane bami angenzanga izinto eziright, no wonder ngisahlala kithi.
Okay.
Mele kuye ngathi ukuthi sikhiphe abazali bethu in that miserable life that leba kuyo. Mele ukuthi nanoma udlubusha bakho ukhumbule ukuthi nakusasa kusanempilo. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngishiya abantu endlini. It doesn't mean like mele uphuze every weekend. Nanoma unemali mele ucabanga ukuthi I should start home. Ngithenge lokho ongizokhona ukuthenga before ngizocala ngiyoyiphuza leyo mali. Mele ube like ne bright future. in some kind of way. Ukhumbula ukuthi abazali bami mele babe ne stable home, ubathengele indlu, like do something improve impilo yakho. Ungahlali ukuthi mina abazali bami bahluleke kuyenza leyo nto so badle ubusha babo nami ngizodla ubusha bami. Like abazali like they didn't get the chance ngoba ngesikhathi sabo they didn't get enough resources. Now ama resource khona ama NSFAS khona ama varsity, like there's a lot of things, so we gotta use those opportunities as youth. Singa focus ekudleni ubusha bethu, sikhohle ukuthi nekusasa lethu sasekhona, because i-country it's falling down because khona ama drugs khona utshwala, like abantu baphilela lezo zinto. Forgetting ukuthi ne country nayo mele ibe ne economy stable, ibe nabantu abazosebenza kusasa.
Okay yeah, lapho khuluma amazwi are very powerful, especially ma ukhuluma ngokuthi futhi ama drugs angenile kakhulu. It's like maybe one of those reasons badle ama drugs kangaka kuyafana nabazali bahluleka, nami so ngiyahluleka. Father Mandla ngibona ukuthi ufuna usho something.
Hayi nami I'm impressed kahle kahle ukulalela the young minds yabo. Ukhuluma the way bakhuluma ngakhona, the point of view, their perspective kahle kahle ngales country we call South Africa today yabo.
So khona ithemba makusena abantu
abakhuluma. Now I can agree, I can attest ukuthi there is a future, we have a future here. Abazali bethu bebenale tendency sometimes bethi these are the lost generation yabona. Sometimes bebe nakho. I still remember one of the tracks is Zikimali mayethi tomorrow people, where is your past yabo. So like leyo question leyo wayibuziswa ukuthi ebona like the way youth reckless ngakhona yabo. Singazi noma iyangena noma kuyaphunywa yabo nto njengale noma kusemini noma kusebusuku yenza nje reckless, singa understand ukuthi kahle kahle they still a tomorrow. Okay, sine today but it's not tomorrow. So I appreciate kakhulu into esikhulunyiwe so far, but my message for today as an elder umuntu oseyidlule kudala level yokuba youth ne. So my level ngidendala yes. Yabo ngoba like sikwi youth month sithole like sithola siba kwi youth month eBhayisi all the time behleze kunale comparison ye youth ka 76. Kunalento ukuthi youth ka 76 yenzani, what is the youth of today doing yabo. Youth of 76 mangabe singakhumbula kahle bafethu yenza izinto ezi very important ezi critical, because sine June 16 76 because of that youth. Eyathatha that initiative ukuthi no, we are going to fight this government apartheid. This government yencindezelo sizoyifight. Any youth of 76 yayenza lento. I'm talking about the brutal system yama whites, like abantu abangenandaba of the black skin yabo, because bona bezazi no thina si dominant color yabo. So i-message yami for today engifuna ukuyidlulisa kwi-youth of today, i-youth of today ngiyazi ukuthi ifeyisene nezinto eziningi. Uye washo Simphiwe ekhuluma ngama-drugs. Yes, nama-drugs are different, abantu babulawa inyawupe, abantwana abaningi yazi no dilasi namhlanje nje inhliziyo yami iyabhlungu ngibona omunye usisi udla crystal anyway sesemncane mambhekela akayi reach even 25. But you can see ukuthi azini it's over, your life yakhe it's over. But inhliziyo yami iyabhlungu ukuthi bangaka abantu youth out there eyithola ikuleyo situation whereby is hopeless. Why? I-hopeless because of abantu bafundile out there, baba nama degrees, banama diploma, banama whatever, but sometimes nokuthola ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho. Unemployment. Ebona le nto le. So kuba ne question ukuthi usayelana esikoleni uma ngabe abobani benama degree nga1 nga2 but abasebenzi. So sine issue unemployment. Ebona le nto le. So we need somehow ukuba le youth ifuna ukuba motivated ukuthi okay, if ngiyenza lento ngiyenzela ini, sengibone ibani oyenzile way achieve. So we need the right role models kahle kahle. We don't have the more role models abazobuya out there basibonisa ukuthi no, yazini it's possible. Like ama role models now a negative ayabheda because unokuthola ukuthi sometimes abantu abaningi sebe inspired because of uBrajack or ubani this guy uyi drug lord unayo yonke imali ya lo muntu as a result uhamba ngayo yonke imoto noma yiphi engenayo uhamba unayo so now we are inspired as a young person ukuthi shithi uma ngabe ngingafana no Jack ne esanami ngibe i drug dealer hijack imoto ngenze like babana leyo mentality ye crime ukuthi okay the only way yokuvukela ifini crime
yeah
so ama role model esiwabonayo ama role model anjalo bafethu abantu abavuke ngecrime or ngendlela ezibhedayo so we need the right role models abantu abazovula ngendlela positive abazokhona ukubuya back bezo inspire our youth ukuthi no it's possible education kahle is relevant we still need ukuthi siye esikoleni and get those opportunities sithola imisebenzi proper so mina my message for today engifuna ukuthi ngiyidlulise ku youth ukuthi ngizothi kini do what you can with what you have wherever you are
okay
yeah in the midst of unemployment in the midst of drugs in the midst of teenage pregnancy
yeah
chaos and whatever ngithi mina do what you can with what you have where you are
all right
that is my message ngizo le message like mongobheka ngizoyenza example ngiyayi lo June 16 mongobhekisisa i1976 June 16 sasikhuluma youth of that day yayi fighter against abantu ababephethe the heavy ammunition you can talk about we can name them ngaba abo R4 abo R1 ngaba abo AK47 we fight against the soldiers uyazi indawo ababephethe bona babephethe only one thing babazi ukuthi masi united bahlahle babephethe unity babazi ukuthi masi united noma angeza lawo masoja angeza lawo maphoyisa angeke asenze next we are united and unokumele sife today sizofa sihlangene si together enakekho hlehlayo so into ayiphethe youth of the day yayiphethe lokho yasebenzisa into ayikhona ayiphethe ini unity we are united and as a result by overthrow bakhona we achieve that milestone as a result no today siyabakhumbula because of that initiative abayithatha that day unity so mina ngasho ngithi namanje ne unity all the way let's unite noma bekuthiwa yini unemployment let's unite against the unemployment let's work together let's fight together let's fight together to fight ama drugs esikhuluma ngawo sithi bulali community what are we doing thina to fight those drug lords those drugs pushers what are we doing ungazama wena alone you will never achieve because you are alone bazo eliminate fast because you are alone but if we are united and say down with the drug pushers we are down we are tired about this nyawo thing esibonayo we are tired about this drug peddlers and stuff we are tired ngalabo mashobo sugar daddy ne abanokhohlisa abo sisibethu abancane abantwana bethu yobathembisa izulu nomhlaba because bazi ukuthi baphuma kwi underprivileged environment then babashiye nabantwana yebo into njengale uyathatha kumele sifight that system ukuthi no yazini for a country yethu ukuthi and ibe prosperous ibe powerful we must come together as a nation and do the right thing okay. But ngeke achieve lento without unity
ya ngiyakuzwa engikutholayo nje lapho ukuthi because ngithanda ukuthi ngathi itemvele ngaba yileyo ukuthi sidla ubusha bethu ne ngithanda ukuthi iyouth ka 76 yathi mayidla ubusha bayo babudla ngendlela leyo ukuthi bayilwisa apartheid ezikolweni ende bakunqoba lokho because bakunqoba ngithi yes uma ngabe ukuthi bakwenza lokho kwenzeka it means nathi because la sikhuluma nje to be honest asikhulumi neyouth kuphela sikhuluma even neyouth endala sikhuluma even nomuntu omdala ukuthi kulokhu umuntu athi ufuna ukwenza kusengenzeka mhlambe masithi futhi sidla ubusha bethu kungabi indaba yokuthi ubusha as in like ngoba usase young as long usaphila it means nawe usasemusha but kwi old age yakho but sasemusha
yes
then ke ukudla ubusha bakho ubudla kanjani
yes as much as we can look to youth namhlanje mina kahle I'm for youth here today in 2000s
okay yeah
ngithola isigqoko for bona there are a lot of things abazenzile for mina is positive we real life not politically because if you go to youth ka 76 everything is always political not about real life you know mangithi political in real life I'm just trying to say ukuthi whenever youth ka 76 ikhuluma baza kutshela izinto ezipolitical ukuthi thina senze ukuthi nokuthi and try to suit izinto ukuthi sibe ngathi bayibenza into right okay it was a good cause into bayilwela but let's come today there's no jobs there's drugs is that what we're fighting for why after they fight whatever they fought for why kungazange kumanage whatever they achieved ukuthi ingatheni into bad results poverty drugs young kids bayithola abantwana le youth yamanje yiyo ethola abantwana ukudla yazi into enziwa yini it goes back to poverty ama results of poverty lawo esiwalethelwa yini if kuthiwa nge-youth nami I would say le kusho ukuthi I'm reaping ama rewards lento ayilelwa 76 let's not forget
it means abakulwa uthi abalanga zona
whatever they fought for ngiyazalwa mina today ibonakala bad because the country is no good at all but there's someone or claim ukuthi nawalwa for whatever country be right but I call right country right now my question is what were they really fighting for you know what you know what really you know what they were fighting for they were fighting for ukuthi izikhoma zabo zibe right because if ever abantu basele abantu basele ama students labantu laba bebelwile ama descendants wabo or abantu ba same party or same mentality or same ideology it means babelwe ukucebisa izikhoma zabo abantu youth ehlupheke babelwe izikhoma zabo ama drugs ezongena thengisa ama drugs abantu bathengisa ama drugs bayaziwa and ba connected and unfortunately ama drugs ashaya ama youth and akusi youth thengisa ama drugs youth thengisa ama drugs older generation thengisa youth ama drugs asibheka na
yeah
okay asiyeke manje kwizinto engithi mina youth yamanje heso football
ngithi ngizokubuza lokho
they can be so bad they can be whatever isisho thina abantu abadala but youth namhlanje they still have to identify ama fight I've seen them fighting for me and my kids it's struggle sabo okay thina 1976 in nani kwethu whatever but youth namanje isibonisile thina sabona ama good results although singafika befuna khona but it's a good indlela bayisi fees must fall that was their struggle we saw a country abanjani fees must fall yazi balela abantu balela my granddaughter balela my daughter balela my granddaughter my grandchild ukuthi uma ikhula naye kwazi ukuya to those higher to university without having to pop out imali learning because umsebenzi awukho akusetshenziswa so thatha imali basema university
okay
I think ifight yabo ifight youth labor ifight le bayilwile so they still have to okokuqala bandla ubusha baba ngithi ama movements wabo spot on we have a big genre now in the country even the whole world listen to a piano ekabani piano yema 2000 you say what this generation is golden Nyethanda generation is golden this generation is golden benza izinto esiproud ngazo if mangi America kuthiwa my man hey how's piano can you play piano can you dance for me piano man can you show me some moves man you see
okay
meaning we big meaning youth namhlanje ayikho useless only if kungazanywa indaba yani yama drugs but indaba yama drugs is beyond their control because it seems as if there's no control in the country ama drugs athengiswa noma ubani who is supposed to control i country it's our government of course
but youth endala yona ine problem cause iyouth yamanje idla lokuhlupheka because of leya youth
exactly what I'm saying
uthi uthi leya youth yamosha
we have thrown all these kind of problems to youth yamanje but
show something
by inheriting
ayibamba so iqhub
Eventually mina ngiyagree ngalento esho because even in the Bible,
in
the Bible, God said, "Abona if umuntu omdala makayenza into, all the curses will fall to the children."
Biblically, yes. Biblically.
Even in real life, even not. I wanna ending in Bible because even if you don't believe in Bible,
it will affect you.
Yeah, it all the principles and whatsoever. So I agree with ngalento show 100% because right now baningi abantu ngizothama upcoming artists or youth nje abasabaye phuma emalandana abayenza into eziningi ukuthi nami personally be like yeah ngifuna ukufana naye because yabo ngiyazi ukuthi motivatewa is something engizothi yeah
yes
yabo and ngiyazi ukuthi nami ngidla ubusha bami in a good way beba ngiyazi nasekhaya ngithola support manje if ngapha ngifuna ukwenza lento le ngapha nabazali bakutshela ngokuthi uba udokotela because bona abazange bakwazi ukuthi baba bodokotela they trying to rectify what they couldn't but at the end of the day they be like thina besifuna and whatever yeah but
abakiye kwena ube lento oyifunayo wena
ukuthi okay ngingayenza ngingafunda and whatever kodwa mina inhliziyo yami kahle esekutheni ngizofunda ngapha ngiphushe maybe ucula and make sure ukuthi angeke ngibhema ama drugs mara yini into okuyenza ukuthi ubhema ama drugs inkinga zasekhaya ukuthi abazali bafuna ukuthi ube udokotela akusisifiso sakho leso akusona nje isifiso mara ngoba ke ekhaya background nabo uphoqelekile bafuna ukuthi ube yilento abafuna ukuthi ube yiyo ngoba bona bangakwazanga ukufeza amaphupho
so uthi nawe yonke lento ama failures old generation
akusema failures yabo ngizothi mina into nento nesikhathi kodwa somehow inama effects
ukube babenze kahle ngithi manje ngabe so reap ama rewards are positive but njengoba nje ama rewards akhona negative it means benza kabi
apparently
but not bonke okay angifuni ukuthi sibafake engubeni ewane
mara baqhamile manje but what we see in the country now if ngiyazalwa today when I country is so I would never be proud of whatever is ANC ukuthi I country be like corner right now. Remember we're talking to umuntu ongazi next kwenzakalani but mina ngibheke I state of the country right now ukuthi kwenzakalani country njani manje our country is dead.
Ayimoshwa ipolitiki not to say laba youth year ka 76 ayimoshwa ipolitiki ekhona right now ama leaders
ipolitiki has everything to do with the country beso.
Okay
ipolitiki iyona main cause yokuthi labantu abathi thina singanilungiselizwe sivoteleni senze ini they are the so when you talk about politics you're talking about those people when you talking about politics so yibo labantu labo abahluleka kwenza umsebenzi wabo abahluleka kwenza whatever ever enjalo
Simphiwe nawe usho kanjalo uthi kunje kungenxa ye old generation
leyo ngayivuma kodwa also believe ukuthi youth yethu ibulawa yi-pressure like i-pressure we get it from all different like platforms i-pressure we thola from i-society like i-community abazali and stuff
okay
as unto ugel ashilo athi sibulawa nokuthi abazali bethu bayasicomparisha
okay
akusiwo wonke umntana ofuna ukubhema ama drugs kodwa usithola ukuthi sekabhema ama drugs because of i-pressure la ayithola ukusika ekhaya because bayamphusha ukuthi ayenze into angayifuni ungakhulu usitshela ukuthi mina ngithi bangitshela ukuthi ngifundele ukuba yinesi only to find out ukuthi mangikhula and I get ukuthi mina like i-dream yami ukuba yi-actor bazokutshela ukuthi ama-actor waholi awukho umsebenzi i-musician ayiholi kodwa there are those artists abaholayo and they are even bigger abantu bakhona ngaleso sikhathi abotha ukuthi akafikanga naku-matric kodwa he's even richer ufana nokuthi ufola under like ama-president because of imali yakhe kodwa nje ukuthi isizwe sethu sibulawa kakhulu ilama leaders wethu we got bad leaders ama leaders wethu are not doing things the right way ama leaders wethu yiwo abafeed abantwana ama drugs and all those stuffs because we might say ukuthi sinama leader kodwa mina mangibheka kahle ama leader wethu is like they are not there iyouth yasafaka bazokutshela ukuthi manje ngoba iyouth month khona ama leaders ovela azothi hayi sifuna ukwenzela lokho for youth after iJune baza banyamalele bonke they are focusing on themselves ukuthi bona ba benefit that's the issue about the country yethu abantu umuntu nendaba naye forget ukuthi khona community
yeah lapho and raise ama point are very serious ukuthi ngiyayithanda ama points enu nami zolesitoshilo abantu vele abathengisa ama drugs akusiya igenge encane if igenge encane ine influence umuntu omdala behind so it means vele there is something wrong kuyo futhi le generation endala. Okay,
I message yami ku youth sengivala guys, I message yami nje ku youth ngifuma ne message ku youth.
Okay,
bafethu nonke enini consider ukuthi ni youth ngisase youth. It's not up to the government. I government isibonakalisile enhle abantu abaphethe sabonakalisile ukuthi abakhona ukuthi banikhiphe in whatever inkinga yini kuyona. I poverty, ama drugs, ya everything. I think manje I country yethu ikwi state whereby we don't ask ourselves ukuthi what is the government going to do for us? What our leaders can do for us? If we are state country yethu right now esithi what can I do for myself? Ukuthi ngiphumelele. What can I come up with? What ideas engenza nazo zingenze ngivule company zingenze ngisustain zingenze ngiqhasha abantu abayi10 or abayi4. How can we as youth lento leyibhekene nani youth? How can we make our country work? How can we create employment? Hayi ukuthi ngiqhasha ubani.
Yeah,
I think it too.
Okay,
just to add a bit lento ecede show Zola ekhuluma siyayibona iproblem ne.
Yeah,
sonke siyayibona iproblem and futhi sonke siyayazi ukuthi ikhona nesiyayazi nokuthi kuphi. But manje to dwell much on iproblem akuzukusinceda without coming with a solution or the solutions. Now i-solutions ukuthi thina njenge youth ya today mayidla ubusha babo in a positive way, in a positive manner. Because masikhuluma ngokudla ubusha bethu, ukudla ngobusha bethu, asikhulumi ngokuthi kumele mhlawumbe uphuze utshwala from Monday to Sunday, ne? But sikhuluma ngokusebenzisa ukutilize your energies.
Ungaphuza kancane.
No, we cannot deny ukuthi abantu bayaphuza.
Okay,
it's a fact, ne? So into uma ngabe abantu beyenza responsibly njengabantu abadala asebazi what is good and what is bad.
All right,
yabo. Okay guys, niyaphuza, we understand niyaphuza, kodwa sicela lento niyenze within the means of budget. No, you know very well we washo Simphiwe ukuthi okay uyayithola leyo salary, uyayithola leyo wages, you know very well ukuthi okay njengoba ngithola i salary I know ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuphuza sometimes nabangani bami, but first things first, ne? Qala endlini ngibona ukuthi kushoda nani i-budgeting leyo ukuthi okay manje isimani ngizoyenza 1 2 3 then a certain portion of a percentage then ke ngizoyithengela nami into ezong revitalizer like I want to thank myself ngicredit ukuthi nongisebenzile for the whole month. Manje ngithole something yana nami ngijabule ngijive so that I can able ukuthi ngivuke ngimotivated again kusasa. Knowing very well ukuthi nginesikhathi ukuthi nami ngicredit yabo ngicompensate ngokuvuka okusebenza kanzima kwami. So I must also ngenzele what I like to do, but le nto yenza in a responsible way, in a responsible manner yabo. So ilapho ke bafethu ne into engisho ukuthi masibudla ubusha bethu sibudla responsible ne. Mina I say big up to that, because uma ngabe ungakhumbula kahle the likes of our leaders, good leaders anyways, now ama bad leaders, now ama good leaders. I would like to take utata Nelson Mandela as one of the good leaders. Sinama leaders ayifana no Steve Biko. Yeah? You can name them, abo Lembet and stuff, abo you can name them. They use ilokunjana ubusha babo, badla ubusha babo befightela this country. Do you know ukuthi mabezo former ANC Youth League, babe under 35 the time, mabeza ne idea yokforma ANC Youth League. And by the way ANC Youth League imandate yayo ne objectives yayo kwakuwukuthi ifighthe ama opportunities for the young people, ukuthi we know ukuthi ne as much as sinabantu abadala, but we must know ukuthi abantu abadala one day bazo retire, kuzomela sithole the new blood abazo replace the old. So those guys kahle kahle I country to see win back because of youth. In 96 yaba possible because of youth. In 94 ibe possible because of i-backing ye-youth. Ramaphosa, I mean, yes, abo Ramaphosa and others. Nelson Mandela mayizophuma ejele. It was because of youth AI fighter during that era. Because ayizange iphelele into June 16. June 16, 76 from lapho kwakuzabalazwa kabuhlungabi. Ngama 80s i-youth yay out there struggling fighter. Ukuthi no, free Mandela, free all these political leaders. Because we were hoping, guys, ukuthi masi free bona bazosikhulula encindizelweni yokuhlupheka kwethu. Not knowing ukuthi okay bona although bebesipromisile ukuthi no yazini sizonikhulula kumakhamandela enhlupheko. Not knowing ukuthi bona kanti bona ba after ukugcwalisa ikhwama zabo. But I'm talking about those bad leaders abakwenzile lokho. After sesitholile ke manje independence, sesitholile ifreedom. No kahle thina nasiye exile. Sasingayelanga nina. Kasiyele thina nama families ethu ukuthi sibe mnandi.
To add on top of that, even this idea ANC ukhuluma ngayo, it was a good idea on paper na before. Ungabheka kahle abantu bajikele ANC manje yibo labo abantu bebekhona kuzakhelazo abathi asafuni next ngale ANC yenu. Why besho kanjalo? Babona ikhandle ukuthi injani, ukuthi what are the results of whatever we thought we were fighting for. If youth yethu inherit akungasebenzi kahle mina jabheka abantwana bethu will never work the work ngakhona. So we sitting with a country whereby youth ayina hope yokusebenza anyway.
But bakhona abasebenzayo and futhi baningi nabo.
No. I-percentage about 70% youth ayisebenzi. 70% youth ayisebenzi. Sesho nje 36. So it means abasebenzi ke abantwana makunjalo. If ever out of 170 ayisebenzi percent.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi abasebenzi at all. We cannot talk about 2 esebenzayo ekubeni 20 ngasebenzi.
All right. Ufuna usho something Simphiwe ngiyakubona.
Ngifuna ukusho. Yazi i-country yethu ibulawa mayifika kuphi. When you go to other countries ne ufika out ukuthi abantwana from a young age bayafundiswa ngoku-archive robot, bafundiswa ngokuqala ama business. But when you come to South Africa, abantwana bafundiswa ukuthi bahlale emva kwama desk silalela teacher, which is a way of showing i-youth yethu ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho ukuhlala emva kwe desk kusho ukuthi wena uzosebenzela omunye umuntu. They are not teaching us ukuthi siyakhe ama like siyakhe like ama business like be big or something. Basifundisa ukuthi silalela umunye umuntu like basifundisa ukuthi mele ulalele ecala ukuthi bakuphe umthetho before uzoyenza into. That's the issue. Basibulale ukufika lapho. And that system ayibonakala izoshintsha anytime soon. Because abantu ba realize when it's late ukuthi yazini if only ngiye ngacala ngafundiswa so kambe ngiye ngayenza something like this, I would have done something better.
Yeah,
okay.
I agree with that because me ngibona kahle ne you go to South African schools and muthatha ukubheka kahle vele they teach us ngamaxoxo ukuthi amaxoxo ayenze njani.
Nani nisalifunda iqoqo namanje?
Life science, obviously, like they'll be telling us about amphibian ukuthi not all of us want to be like sifunding ngeyilwane and whatever, but I do believe that when you go to other countries they teach other kwezinye ikole babafundisa ukuthi bona abobani, but when you come here 55% like they don't know ukuthi bangabobani, you know. So I feel like these people, like I feel like freedom yethu askara itholi, because at the end of the day, yes, we are studying, but we are working so that we can work for another person. Umuntu omhlophe nje, to be straightforward. Umuntu omhlophe. Then don't besilwela for mina ayikho, because like right now bona like for bona ayikho into esingathi like thina yithi esihluphikisayo. I feel like it is up to us to stand up and yabo mungathi umsebenzi awukho. For me it's like it's an excuse, because I feel like there are a lot of opportunities and you have to use them wisely. Like there are a lot of opportunities so ukuthi nasekhaya yabo or wherever they will tell you ukuthi futhi yabo njoba go politics abantu abadaba ukutshela ukuthi no awukho allowed ukwenza lokho because you're still a child. ngakho kwa mengizomtshela gogo ukuthi hayi mina gogo mina sengifukuya kwami manje uthi hayi umntwana this and that so I'm like I know gogo mina like I can nangayenza imali kusasa ngavuka ngiyimiliyoni uthi kanjani ungafundanga so I feel like abelungu basuppress ingqondo zabantu abamnyama bayenza ngathi education is a key while it's not a key it's a lock for us somehow it is like not everyone indlela eyi-1 izobasebenzela angeke sisebenzele sonke indlela ziningi ama-option maningi I feel like kuningi so it's up to you how you the ball is not even in the court it's in your hands in your hands not in the court so it's up to you
engiyitholayo nje la ukuthi abantu i-youth engathi ivalelekile ngoba kakhulu not to say isikole ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngabe ni blame indaba yesikole is not to say nithi vele siyabheda the thing is ilento yokufundisa ukuthi hambi yofunda khona uzosebenzela uzibani that's why today sikhala ngokuthi umsebenzi ayikho asifundiswanga to create to be creative sifundiswa ukuthi okay manje sengine degree senginama honors doctorate manje sengayokokota kwabasi mase ngikokota kwabasi uthi angifundile mangikokota komunye obasi uthi usufunde kakhulu and manje na ke ngena khuluma something nithi nina ilento eyenza ukuthi i-youth ingene ema drugsini is it okay vele ku right but ayike ngoba ke vele imisebenzi ayikho futhi vele sesifundile abanye bathi hayi yafana uzothi ngifundelani omunye uzothi mina ngifuna ukuvula ibusiness ekhaya bangicindezela bathi business lani lona lelo ngcono ke vele ngidlela ama drugs
akusiyi solution it's not a solution at all as njengoba ngishilo ngathi i-youth yamanje kuna ama positives akhona as well in anything there's a negative then there's a positive but we cannot dwell on negatives
yes
indaba yama drugs at the same time futhi it's up to us even the older generation kahle kahle yithi kahle esinayo indlela ukuthi singayilwisa lonto leyo esine power singayilwisa to defend our youth remember we supposed to be the defenders of our youth team because amanye amandla nokubukuhlakanipha abakabe nabo abasabancane bona
omunye uzothi kanjani si defender kanjani
I think we siyazi ukuthi ama-drugs abuya kweliphi side we know the drug lords we don't expect abantwana abana 20 years bahambe bawuvala ama-drug lords we don't expect abantwana abana 20 balid ama-campaigns ukuthi la ewayithi safuna ama-drugs manje ubani nobani bamthengisa ama-drugs so we need to stand against them we don't expect abantwana bethu benze lokho
ithina
we're supposed to do that
okay
I think nathi as the older generation we're taking a back step where we're not supposed to we're not leading and at the same time yaziyenziwa into leyo uma ungabheka kahle there's this beefnyana between a previous generation generation yamanje ikhona leyo nto leyo if we being very honest about it
and lokho ngizokuvuma ngoba nathi bekuthiwa we are i lost generation mina ngikhona sitshelwa kanjalo i lost generation
at some point if generation emva ukuthi asifuna uku-embrace into eyiningi nawe benza kahle asifuna ukuba-embrace benza kahle sifuna ukuba-criticize I'll be very practical ngento engiyishoyo for an example that boy leader the company is fees must fall most of us abantu bamosha isikolo manje bamosha isikolo manje akufundwa manje abantu bafundi manje ngoba ngendaba yombhedo lona uthi nima embrace a good idea idea prepare a future the older generation is against each generation entsha asiba support labantwana laba enough we don't give support siyas distance ukuthi ngaba siba support akhona
okay
okwesi 2 they came with the piano you know ukuthi ama old artists ayathini it's music lento man fuck off man piano was better than this that's a picture guy engafuna accept ukuthi a younger guy has done something
is doing something yes
instead of embracing them by criticize I've learned so much kule youth yazini I want to thank kule youth thanks guys ngefees must fall thanks with the brand of music enize nayo ngegenre music enize nayo thanks ngokusifundisa thina abantu abadala because sifundiswe yini ukuthi how to use ama social networks by a leader ma 2000 youth ya leader lapho and bathathe nabanye abantu abadala abafuna ukuchange abangabambanga indlela yakudala. We on social networks now, we're making money manje kuma TikTok manje because of this youth. You see how brilliant is this youth? If we can embrace the ideas, the mind of this youth, we'll go far. Kahle the older generation, we must learn a lot from this youth. They are very brilliant. They are the leaders.
Yes. All right. Ithi nginikwe nikhulume sivale.
Okay, I would like to say, I feel like now it is time for us to stop fighting for unnecessary things. Stop fighting for this benefit at the end of the day. But it is time for us to start fighting for our future, for ourselves.
Angibuze, yiphi nje into ngathi uyayifightela but ibingakusebenzeli. Someone might say, what do you mean when you say we must stop fighting for something, for unnecessary things?
Yabona if ngizolwela mhlambe yabo esikhathini samanje so nokubona intsha nje so intombazana seyilwela for umfana ukuthi nje akukho necessary akukho nje necessary. Okay but now I feel like now it is time for us to stand up sizilwele thina focus ekuthina focus on our future on our passions kwinto esifuna ukuzibona ukuthi the time bakubuza ukuthi ufuna uba yini musukhula bengisho ukuthi I wanted to be this and ngiqhubeke ngalento leyo. I feel like back in the days in 1976 or back white people realized that our skin pigment was too dark, our hair texture was too rough, and they did realize that we're too perfect. And so if baboni inja yabo right now I'm here, I'm embrace, I'm no longer answer relaxy, I'm just me naturally nginenwele zami eziraf cause I feel like it is time natural hair, you know.
Yes, pick up.
No, nothing. Because I feel like it is time for us to embrace who we are. And mungathuthi uyabheka abanye abantu khona belunga abazibleachayo babe mnyama because they feel like bafuna ukuba njengathi. But now we are like we are us. We're not pretending to be someone else or we are us. And in that matter, babonile even back then in the days they got baleli freedom. They were capable ukuthi sikwazile bawina. And manje baqonthi bahlakaniphile and sometimes we have to be grateful ngokuthi basifundisa into ezibhaya. They thought they were suppressing us while they were teaching us a lot of things. They made us stronger.
Okay. Yeah, powerful points lapho. Powerful points.
Okay, mina amazwi ami okugcina ukuthi
yeah,
I would like to say shout out to the youth, Youth Month, and then shout out to our dads, Happy Father's Day. And also, I just want to say,
by the way, Happy Father's Day every day. Mangabe uzoyibona ngo-December. Happy Father's Day.
Yes.
No January, Happy Father's Day. Yeah.
So, mina into engizoyisho ukuthi like idlana ubusha benu. Like I'm not like angithi ningabudla ubusha benu kodwa budle ubuye ube nengcondo ucabanga ukuthi I still got a future, I still got to live. Ungaphileli namhlanje ucabanga ukuthi kusane kusasa, so idla ubusha bakho. Just be yourself, like embrace it, like do whatever you want to do, like be free, like whatever that you're gonna do, make sure that it's gonna benefit you tomorrow, like 70 some resources that you get and do whatever that you can do.
So number one. Uvaluthini mzolisi?
I would say we youth out there, every one of you guys, mawuhleli uzithi mina ngiyi-youth ngiyabusha bami, try to be somewhere like positive, try to do into positive. And like there must be this space of ukuba kuso nawe esina ama-rewards a-grand. Mangisho kanjalo ngibone from lama 2000 to 2000 ke awamanje the new generation. Good generation yam, it was very rare ukuthi a guy at 21 years sikanindlu in a swimming pool uhamba ngeFerrari uhamba ngeMaserati, but go to these piano young boys, you will see that they do that very often. I think those are your role models. Fortunately for you, in a young generation, you don't necessarily have to have an older generation as a role models, because really siyahluleka we sithengisela ama-drugs. Siyanithatha nisenza bo-sugar date. Sibamba imoto zemali. So we become a bad role models. You have positive role models amongst your age. Just look ukuthi who are the peers abenza kahle uzimixe nabo niphambili and conquer, guys.
Okay. Yes, Father Mindlo.
Yeah, nami mangabe sengivala ngizophinde ngirepeat these words. Ne. Do what you can with what you have where you are. Mangikhuluma kanjalo ke guys, ngisho uthene as much as siyibone unemployment, as much as sibona ama drugs and whatever, ngithi manje let's come up with solutions.
Solutions. Yes.
Yeah, si understand us youth ayisebenzi. Let's come with solutions ukuthi what can I do in my corner? How can I change the community? Yeah, sometimes awudingi ukuthi uzobe politically connected or uqhamuke from a certain family. Yabo ukuze ukwenze impact a positive out there. That little something that you can do, just that little something you can do, you will be changing the country. So we channel the country to the right direction. Let's start those ideas. My business. How can we start those businesses? Now my movement angenza a change. So I was once inspired like mangabe amazwi ka Steve Biko. Steve Biko unayibeka laphana uncwadi yakhe ethi I write what I like. Uthi black men you are on your own.
Yeah.
Uthi the most important weapons in the hands of an oppressor is your mind. Yabona i-oppressor irely kakhulu kwi-mind yakho. Then ayivale laphana uBob Marley mayithi emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. And I thank you.
Okay. Ayinikhulumile kuningi engakupointa but ngizothatha nje lokho kuyi1 engizwile. Especially kubheke kubazali kuthina abazali nabazali abanye uma ngabe ulalela channel le please ake sibayeke benze into abayifunayo.
Yes.
Ya ngiyazi isikole sibalekile kakhulu futhi ngeke nje size sithi isikole sibalekanga but uma ngabe umntana ethu ufuna ukuba ukwenza ibusiness ethile emsupport lo mntana loyo because uza na something mhlawumbe engakaze yaba khona kwi-family since akazoba khona businessman and uzothi mayese khona uyobevulela imisebenzi ama generation elandelayo ngizothi mina ke sibavumele babe free ngoba uma ngabe sibacindezela ngokuthi sifuna baye ezikolweni sifuna babe othisha nabo babe doctors gcina ba channela endaweni ezerong kanti kube besibayekelile bekuyolunga. Omunye umuntu uzothi awu ibusiness lakho lo thuthuka nini ibusiness yaza amabusiness afaila but na into ekhona umntana uya esikoleni nakhona uyafaila abanye baya esikoleni bafunde 4 years for a degree 4 years kusho ukuthi usuke engaholi cabanga umntana uma ngabe ezoqala ibusiness within 4 years lo business izobe seyenza something. Ukhona ulo ifounder ye Alibaba ile e-commerce uthi ibusiness lakho uma ngabe uliqala ziphe nje u5 years 5 wonke weminyaka ube busy nalo lapho uliphi chance ukuthi ligrow libe likhulu after 5 years. I'm telling you lobe li something ukhuluma from experience mayithina within 1 year mntana kodwa yabona lento yakhe ayisebenzi kanti bekumele ngabe yamkhuthaza 2 years yabona lento yakhe ayisebenzi kodwa maye esikoleni ya uyambhadalela uyamsupporta wenza konke ekugcineni umntana ubuya ne degree ufrustrated. Baningi abantu mina engingabasho ngithi bayasebenza imisebenzi but ba frustrated besebenza imisebenzi ubona ngama actions abo ukuthi yebo bayahola but they are not happy kanti kuwe bebeyiyekiwe abantu babe free benze izinto engaphakathi kubona. Ngalawo mazwi bese ngiyivala kuningi esikhulumile into nje wena ongayenza ukuthi subscribe kule channel kwenzela ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi sesiposta futhi another video ukwazi ukuthi ignotify iYouTube ukwazi ukuthi usizakale please uyishare futhi nakwabanye and sinayo na merchandise sayikhona please support isupport eningasiza kakhulu ukuthi kungasizakali wena kuphela kodwa kusizakale even nabanye because we want to do these things for like angazi as long as esaphila kube khona nje abantu abasizakalayo waya but through your support of course. Gamba lami ngumuntu Duzi ngwaka Shabangu. Let's meet once again ngithanda indlela esimangaliso. Cheers.